Hey, there's a space.
Dude, what are you doing?
Reversing. I'm the king of reverse.
Really?
I could reverse from here to Cape Town if I wanted to.
$50 says you can't.
Guys, wake up, wake up! Guys, no!
Yes! All right, guys!
Come on! I love you guys!